Okay, equivalent fractions. This is our first video on fractions, so to a certain degree this is the first piece of the jigsaw puzzle, so it's pretty difficult to see how it all fits together until we get a couple of other skills under our belt. But the basic thing with equivalent fractions is equivalent means equal. So conceptually, if I eat a half of a piece of cake or I eat 2/4, hopefully we all understand that they are equal. So the task today in the next minute or two is to work out how we get from one to the other. Really what we're going to be doing is we're going to be saying, what do I multiply 1 by to get 2? I'm going to multiply it by 2. And what's 2 times 2 is 4. So long as we multiply the top and bottom by the same number, our fractions will be equivalent. So technically, I could also go times 3. What's 1 times 3? 3. What's 2 times 3? 2 3s are 6. Can you see how when I multiply top and bottom by 3, 3/6 and 1/2, exactly the same. So we're going to be doing lots of these little arrows with our bubbles, and the bubbles just need to be the same on the top and the bottom. So clearly I'm not just going to be giving you fractions that are equal. We're going to be saying, let's have 3/8. What goes in this box to make that equivalent to 3/8? So what we do is we go to always multiply. What am I multiplying 8 by to get 16? 2. If I'm multiplying the bottom by 2, I'm going to multiply the top by 2. 3 2s are 6. 3/8 and 6/16 is the same value. They're equivalent fractions. One more. 2/5, let's go on 20ths. So I'm going to go 5 times what is 20? 5 4s. What do I do to the bottom? I do to the top. 2 4s are 8. 2/5 and 8/20 are the same value. If I draw a number line, and here's 0, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2/5 is about here. So it's not even half the way to 1. It's only 2/5 the way to 1. Guess where 8/20 is? 8/20 is the same place on the number line. There's lots of them. Let's go 20/5. What am I doing to 5 to get 25? I'm multiplying by 5. What's 2 times 5? 10. Guess where 10/25 is on the number line? Excellent. You can't see it. Oh. There we go. Let's push it up. 10/25 is all at that one point on the number line. There's lots of different numbers on that number line, lots of fractional values, all with the same value. We can keep going as much as you like. Okay, you need a tip for my core skills sheet, which clearly you need to know how to do. So on your core skills test sheet that you get 2 minutes for, we're going to start with something like, let's go 4/10, and it might go 20/5, and it might go, and we've got to fill in the blank spaces. Now we do have a bit of a problem, don't we? What do I multiply 10 by to get 25? Can't do it. See this 4/10? I can actually simplify 4/10 instead of multiplying, I can divide by 2 because they're both even, aren't they? 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 2/5 and 4/10 is exactly the same. That's one of the ones I rubbed out before. Basically, now that you've got 2/5, I can go from 5, say what do I do to 5 to get 25? Multiply by 5. What's 2 times 5? 10. Oh, and I've got to get to 18. So it doesn't matter where I start. I can go 2 times what is 18? 2 times 9 is 18. What's 5 times 9? 5 nines are 45. So if you can't go up, you can go down first and then go up. If you do some practice, there's lots of practice on my core skills sheet. Keep going and do heaps of them. Really, really important concept. Comes up over and over and over again. Good luck.